welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie, and today guys, I am home and I feel like I would eat some curry chicken. So I am cooking curry chicken for dinner with jasmine rice and a lovely glass of carrot juice. Let's get started. So curry chicken, you cook curry chicken, you cut it in, for some people I prefer to cook it and cut it in smaller pieces, so I will be cutting this one in small pieces. So I'll just wash with some white vinegar to take away the rawness and the slime and all of that, the slipperiness from the chicken. So now I will add some seasoning to the chicken. So this is all-purpose seasoning. Use a little of this. I'll use some turmeric powder. Turmeric is just for health reason. Some rotisserie chicken powder. This one, according to them, it's all natural. I'll add some black pepper. This one is meat seasoning. Bit of onion powder, garlic salt, a bit of ginger, incorporate everything in the chicken. Now I'll get the pot started to get it heated. So now I will get my curry powder in the oil, and I'm using Better Pack curry. Some people burn the curry, some don't, but I prefer to burn the curry. This is one chicken, so I'll just put like half spoon of curry. I don't burn my curry until it's black. Now I add the chicken to the pot, and I'll just cover it to simmer for maybe three minutes or so, and then the chicken is gonna spring its own water, own juice to cook it halfway. Now I'll just check in on the chicken to give it a little stir. Now the chicken is on, I will just start my rice to get the rice on the fire. I'll just wash my rice. I'm using white rice. This is white jasmine rice, but I wash my rice before I cook. Washing the rice is optional for who want to wash rice, or if you don't want to wash it, but I wash rice. Some people don't wash the jasmine rice because they say you're washing off the scent. I don't know what put the scent on the rice, so I'm washing the rice. And guys, this is mint from the backyard. In Jamaica we used to call this colic mint or something like that, but it's mint, and I'm gonna put it in the white rice as well. When you add the mint to the white rice, it gives it flavor, as well as when you're eating it, you just have this minty smell coming towards you. Now I'll give the pot a stir, and this is the looks of it without pouring water in it. So this is the juice from the chicken itself. Now that the rice is boiling fully, I will just turn it down and let it cook slowly. Now I will be cutting all my ground provision for the chicken. Oh, I have red Scotch bonnet pepper and yellow. I won't use the yellow one because it looked too much like curry. So if you don't want to bite into the pepper, I won't put the yellow one in it because that can be an honest mistake. So I'll use the red pepper for the curry. I'll use 2 bay leaf, onion, some thyme. The thyme I could put it in now. I'll use both colors. Wash. So I peel 1 carrot, wherein I'm gonna add carrot and Irish potato to the pot. I'll add the carrot to the pot now. So guys, now I'll peel my carrot for the juice. Okay, now the carrot finished cutting, I'll just add it to the pot. So now I will check my chicken pot and put in the finishing touch to it. So guys, the chicken have sprung its own water, so I will just add the ground provision now to the pot. So now I'll just add extra seasoning and peppers. So guys, anything that is in abundance here, I will make use of it. So these potatoes, I peel them and cook some and put them in the freezer when I have potatoes here in abundance. So these potatoes, they're already cooked, but I will add some to the chicken pot. Awesome. Tastes very nice. I'll cover just to have it simmer. I'll use a little water just to wash this a little bit. Okay, nice. And in the meantime, I put some beans to have them cook. That is almost finished now. It's like 3 minutes. The carrot is cooked, all done, and the rice is finished. So stove is on. Now I will be blending the carrot to make my juice. So this is hot. Usually I'll set it aside for it to cool, but my family is waiting on the dinner, so I have to blend it hot. So now the carrot is blended. I will just start sweetening the punch and ready for serving. So to this I will add some extra vanilla. So they said this is extra strength. And some Jamaican Bad Boy overproof white rum. And I will add a dragon stout. Seems like this is gonna be too small. So guys, if you hear noise, it's on the outside. And it's a holiday today in Canada. It's Canada Day today, so you will hear the noise outside. Please don't mind that. And now I'll add condensed milk. I'm using Grace condensed milk. So some condensed milk. And then I'll grate a nutmeg. I just use the paper because you know it get off easy off the paper. Okay, nice. I'll just set this aside. So guys, now it comes down to the grand finale, the big time. It's time to plate.